I just bought this FJR1300 yesterday, and you could see the previous owner has had the issue with the panniers because they've come off and gone down the road. I've just fixed this one. This one has the same issue, so I'm going to show you how to repair it. Basically, these this tongue right here should come up about 40mm at the minute. Just over 30. So all you have to do to fix this, basically, which I'll show you in a second, is you lift this handle up, just a flathead screwdriver, and you want to slot it in underneath there and apply pressure backwards until it pops, basically, and that means it's just slipping a tooth backwards. And you want to do that until you can measure here after, and it's 40mm after, and that should be correct. So I'm going to do that now, and yeah, we'll have a look. Right, there we are. I've just done that one, and let's give it a measure. Yeah, 40mm. What you notice as well is when you open the handle after, it comes up 90 degrees. So if you're lifting the handle to what feels like all the way up, and it's not coming to 90 degrees, that's another indicator as well. But there we are. Yeah, that's the fix right there. You just got to lever in some pressure, and yeah, just pop it backwards until it's 90 degrees. And of course it measures 40mm. It seems quite aggressive when you're doing it, and it makes a loud pop, but don't worry, it should be alright. Yeah. But that's it all sorted now. I've just given it a quick clean, probably the first clean it's ever had, to be honest with you, with the state of it before. But also I've lubricated inside the mechanism just here as well, just to free it up a little bit, just to make it easier to move. Should be right now, and I hope this helped anyone. This was the video I was looking for, to be honest, but couldn't find it, so I decided to make one myself. But yeah, hopefully it helps, and yeah.